Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to fix hands-free issue. You will see the hands-free icon even you have removed the hands-free cable from your phone. This issue appears usually in a Redmi, Realme, Vivo. So usually this happens because of dust particles and carbon particles. Dust particles and carbon particles are in the air in everywhere. So whenever you keep your phone and you don't use your phone, dust particles and carbon particles will go inside your hands-free slot. So what you have to do, you have to take a brush and you have to clean your hands-free slot. So first thing you need to do this one. So once you will clean your hands-free slot, then try to insert the hands-free cable again and check this issue. So mostly this issue will vanish. Second thing you need to do is you have to go to your phone settings and then you have to go to about phone, click on software information, scroll down, and then from here you have to update your Android phone software. Most probably with these two methods your hands-free issue will be resolved. If you still face any kind of issue, comment below in the comment section. We'll answer all of your queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.